Most of us at some point have probably wondered what it would be like to have bigger muscles. And some have worked to turn that wonder into a reality, as there are people that have developed incredible increases in the size of their muscles. But what is actually going on when you increase the size of a muscle? Well, today we're going to discuss these training principles, and for even more fun, we're going to dive into the physiology of muscle and talk about some of the characteristics of muscle tissue that allows for these amazing size and strength increases. Plus, we'll discuss if there's an actual difference between increasing strength versus increasing the size of a muscle. As we get into this discussion about increasing muscular size, did you know there are actually 3 different types of muscle tissue in the human body? But what exactly happens when our skeletal muscle fibers, or skeletal muscle cells, undergo hypertrophy? Hypertrophy is due to an increased production of the contractile protein units within a skeletal muscle cell. Maybe you've heard of these contractile units before, like myofibrils and sarcomeres. And we have a video coming soon going into the amazing details of the myofibrils and sarcomeres, but for today, know that these myofibrils and the sarcomeres within them generate the force inside the skeletal muscle cell. And the increased production of these units is one of the major contributors to the muscle cell getting bigger. But other changes also contribute to hypertrophy, such as the development of more mitochondria and other organelles within the muscle cell. For example, the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is a modified smooth endoplasmic reticulum that stores calcium within the muscle cell. And as an FYI, calcium is extremely important for muscle cell contractions. Increased fluid content within the muscle cell can also contribute to hypertrophy, and we're going to discuss that in a little bit more detail in just a minute.